Hello, welcome to Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. We are very committed to bring you more quality lessons through our videos. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, welcome. Click right now on the subscribe icon and activate the ring so you never miss our future video uploads. Make sure you ring the bell and your page looks like this so you don't miss out and you get the notifications whenever we put a new video. In the last videos we learned the conjugation of the verbs to be and to have. If you missed it or want to learn more, just click on the upper right corner of your screen. In today's section, I'm going to teach you how to count the numbers in Lingala. But to make it easier for you to learn, we're going to break it down from 1 through 20. Then, in the next video, I will teach you from 21 to 41 and so on. Now let's learn how to count from 0 to 20. 0 is Libungu Tulu. Libungu Tulu. 1 in Lingala is Moko. Moko. 2 is Mibale. Mibale. 3 is Misato. Misato. 4 is Minei. Minei. 5 is Mitano. 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 6 is Motoba. 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 7 is Sambo. 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 8 is Mwambe. Mwambe. 9 is Libwa. 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 10 is Zomi. Zomi. 11 is Zomi na Moko. Zomi na Moko. 12 is Zomi na Mibale. Zomi na Mibale. 13 Zomi na Misato. Zomi na Misato. 14 is Zomi na Minei. Zomi na Minei. Zomi na Minei. 14. 15 Zomi na Mitano. Zomi na Mitano. 16 Zomi na motoba. Zomi na motoba. 17. Zomi na sambo. Zomi na sambo. 17. 18. Zomi na mwambe. Zomi na mwambe. Zomi na mwambe. 18. 19. Zomi na libwa. Zomi na libwa. Zomi na libwa. 19. And 20 is ntuku mibale. Ntuku mibale. Ntuku mibale. 20. Okay, now let's review everything we just learned. 0 is Libungu Tulu. 0 is Libungu Tulu. 1. Moko. Moko. 2. Mibale. Mibale. 3. Misato. Misato. 4. Minei. Minei. 5. Mitano. 6. Motoba. Motoba. 7. Sambo. Sambo. 8. Mwambe. Mwambe. 9. Libwa. Libwa. 10. Zomi. Zomi. 11. Zomi na moko. 12. Zomi na mibale. 13. Zomi na misato. 14. Zomi na minei. 15. Zomi na mitano. 16. Zomi na motoba. 17. Zomi na sambo. 18. Zomi na mwambe. 19. Zomi na libwa. 20. Ntuku mibale. Ntuku mibale. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing The Love Gracias. The Love Gracias. Thank you and see you next time.